Hi, welcome to your Nursing 7030 or your informatics course. This is a very important course. It's an AACN Essential, which I know you have already reviewed. It's also a CUSIN Essential. And as the DNP, you're going to learn the role of informatics within this realm. The other thing I recognize too is that you are on two trajectories. You're learning your clinical to be an FNP, and that's hard, and I get that, and that's very time consuming. You have a lot of clinical hours there. But the overarching, I think, trajectory is your Doctor of Nursing Practice degree. That encompasses your FNP piece, okay? So that also is very time consuming and hard with your project and this higher level learning. And with higher level learning in a doctoral program, you're going to see you have a lot of reading. Reading is studying. So reading is about being able to comprehend that information, synthesize it, and then apply it, utilize it. And informatics, you do have a lot in this course. So just touching on that real quick. Let me start here. I want to tell you a little bit about contacting me. I'm usually very quick at responding. If you don't hear from me within a day, please email or text me back. I'm very good with texting. There's my text number. You can email me or just utilize this inbox email as well, or this Canvas email, and I should be getting back to you quickly. Like I said, if you don't hear from me, let me know within a short period of time. So just real quick, I don't know if I even said my name. My name is Julie Gee. I've been a nurse for a long time. I may have had some of you even at Weber because I've taught in various places in Idaho, at Weber, several universities and college over the years in California. I earned my BSN at Montana State, my master's at Regis University in Colorado, and then my PhD at New Mexico State University. Presently, I'm working at Intermountain Healthcare and professional practice. I do a little, it's kind of fun. I do a lot of different things. As a matter of fact, just a little bit of research, working with professional practice, all kinds of things. Okay, let's move over here to modules. I really, I want you to go in here and read this. I have expectations of both you and me. So it would behoove you to read that as well. My course is set up as a typical course, the syllabus, class schedule. There is a file naming convention I want you to utilize because there is so much reading, including that whole darn entire textbook that's huge and other scientific articles. You're going to learn how to skim or scan, but reading is studying, and you have to be able to comprehend that. You have to be able to synthesize that information, then apply it to discussions, papers, etc. Practice to your practice. This is how to build a paper. As a matter of fact, you'll even have an assignment on this later on, but your last paper, which is your signature assignment, and all that is an accreditation thing, if you care about that. But I tell you how to set up a template. And so I really do want you to access this and set it up properly to save you some time. The course is set up in units A, B, C, D, and E. And there's several discussions that tells me about synthesis of the literature that you are reading, the evidence, but you also have this last big scholarly paper. What I want you to do is, I moved it up here, I want you to start, when you're kind of getting an idea of this course, to open it up and to see what it is, what's expected of you. Because some of this information you can actually start applying when you get probably into, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks in, but you can really start building your paper as you go so you do not wait till the last minute, okay? Something I want to say about that, let me go back to modules, this how to build the paper and then this assignment in itself. When we get down to, I guess it's June 19th, you will be building the template with major headers and you'll have a little bit of thought behind that, and you'll submit that, a little part of this at that point in time. And as we move along, like I said, I will be reminding you to work on certain aspects of the paper as we cover that information. Okay, I really don't think I have much else to say, but again, I do want to say that announcements, this is how I will communicate on a weekly basis, at least on a weekly basis, a check-in after each assignment or each week has passed. If something comes up that I want to talk, that I need to express sooner, I will just send out an email this way to you all. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know.